Budh Sabha, School Creating Poets in Bhavnagar, a non-stop meeting in which new poets get a chance. The first meeting of the Budh Sabha or Wednesday meeting of Bhavnagar Shishu Vihar in Gujarat was held in 1939 and later under the auspice of Takht Sanghji Parmar started every Wednesday since 1980 uninterruptedly. Budh Sabha was held on social media at the time of the lockdown and not a single meeting has been cancelled yet. Budh Sabha, which started in 1939, has been going on since 1980. More than 2100 Budh Sabhas conducted and many new poets got opportunity. Attendance of at least 20 poets on one Wednesday presented more than 40,000 compositions. Nowhere in the whole of India will there be a school creating poets. This first Budh Sabha in Bhavnagar started in 1939 in the presence of Takht Sanghji Parmar and has been held every Wednesday since 1980 and is still going on. Here we will visit two poets created from this Budh Sabha. Life journey of a poet who has been coming to here from the age of 3 years. This is Vijay Rajguru, a poet who set foot in Budh Sabha from the age of 3 and today is the author, including poetry collections, credits the Budh Sabha with shaping his life and finding a place as a poet. Vijay Rajguru, who wrote 6 collections of poetry, still enjoys seeing the youth coming to Budh Sabha.
અમે રસ્તા ઉપર ઊભા છતાં રસ્તો નથી મળતો સ્વયંને શોધવા બેઠો અને પત્તો નથી મળતો बचपन से ही आता हूँ जब से मैं चलना सीखा तो यहाँ झूला झूलने के लिए मैं आता था
I am coming here from my childhood. Was coming for swings since I learned to walk. My father was working elsewhere but was visiting Shishu Vihar during vacations at my relative's place here. Got acquainted with Budh Sabha in 1978 when I came to Bhavnagar for doing my BA and MA. I am associated with Budh Sabha from its starting. Being evolved as a poet, Budh Sabha has been a big support for myself. 8 of my books have been published and 8 are yet to be published. One of my book, Tu Barafni Meanbatti, is released in Budh Sabha. Mostly have written in Gujarati, have written few ghazals in Hindi also. It's due to Budh Sabha today I am famous as a poet.
तू बर्फनी मीणबत्ती मैं गुजराती में ही लिखता हूँ हिंदी में बहुत कम लिखा है गजल आदि लिखा है हिंदी में लेकिन गुजराती में ही लिखता हूँ मेरी 8 पुस्तकें आई है उसमें से इस पुस्तक का विमोचन यहाँ बुद्ध सभा में हुआ और मैं कवि तरीके जो सिद्ध हुआ हूँ उसमें बुद्ध सभा का मेरे पर बड़ी कृपा है.
A professor who also obtained the degree of poet, Hemalbai Pandya, had joined the Budh Sabha since 1997 and also made an album.
રંગો બધા પાખર મારા મની કમાણા હું ઇન્દ્રધનુ જેવો સર્જાઉ છું હવા.
With his own memorized words by penning his own words, about 4.5 lakh of the first album has been donated to the AIDS Control Trust. Not only that, they are also going to make another album. Among the poets given by Budh Sabha are Vinod Joshi, Kismat Qureshi, Pravidhan Pathak, Sipin Thanki, Dinkar Pathak, Diler Sanghvi and many more. Poets have been found in the society and the old poets are also happy with the young poets who are coming now.
कोरोना जैसी बीमारी और मुश्किल समय में भी लॉकडाउन था फिर भी ये
Budh Sabha did not had a break even during Corona and lockdown. It's conducted continuously. Many poets such as Vijay Bhai Rajguru, Dr. Vinod Bhai Joshi, Kavi Shri Kismat Qureshi, Shri Ajay Bhai Pathak ji, Shri Pradeep Bhai Sheth are famous in and outside of Gujarat.
श्री प्रदीप भाई सेठ सारे गुजरात राज्य और गुजरात की बाहर कवियों में आज सुप्रसिद्ध शायर तरीके वो प्रसिद्ध हुए हैं.
Budh Sabha has been running uninterruptedly since 1980, following which the total number of Budh Sabhas has gone up to 2100. While the people who are leaving the Budh Sabha are getting the degree of a poet and the society is also getting a writer and a poet, with this future poets are also seen in Budh Sabha today as Vijay Rajguru came to the Budh Sabha. NETV Bharat Report.
To watch 24/7 News Live, download ETV Bharat app.